Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a massive, crazy, I can't even fit it in the screen, reveal slash unbagging, unboxing, what you want to call it, I don't know. I have opened a couple of the things, and I haven't opened a couple of the things. And I partially opened a couple of the things. Sorry for all the bouncing on the camera, but what happened is I just dropped that stuff on the leg of my tripod thingy, if that's what you want to call it, my ring light slash tripod thingy. Anyway, I have green tag inserts for the Coach Pillow Madison, the Coach Willow saddle bag, the Coach Soft Tabby, all custom made for those bags to show you. I have... Oh, I just hit myself in the face. I have two jewelry items, one of which I've already opened and I have on my head. So I will show you those in a second. I have a Lululemon Belt Bag to show you, one unlike any of the other ones that I have in my collection. And then finally, Longchamp is having a sale this weekend at the San Marcos outlet in Texas. And I was supposed to get a bag today. They went ahead and sent it to me just a little bit early so I could show you. And they even expedited the shipping so that I could show you what I got. But I'm just going to have to insert some pictures and talk about it. So all of those things, this video is insane. And by the way, it was my birthday yesterday. So I'm going to Dallas tomorrow with my friend Julie from Agent Bag Reviews, and we're going to go shopping. And so in addition to all this goodness, there is more goodness to come. So let me go ahead and start with this. This is from Belk, and it is another ring. I kind of forewarned you about this. Here it is. Let me pull it out of the packaging. I want to show you. Okay, so this is a doorbuster deal. I decided not to keep the pink and purple rings that I had ordered from Macy's. I went ahead and sent those back. This is more up my alley. It is a beautiful topaz, and the amethyst rings and the pink ring that I ordered from Macy's, I opened those and looked at them. They were gorgeous, but just not for me. The styles just weren't quite what I was looking for. I've decided I like these that are flat and that are set into the mount like this without prongs, better than the ones with prongs. And the ones that I got from Macy's were all prong set. And so once I figured that out, I decided that I would just open this one for you since I have so many things to open today. But this is blue topaz, and it has a layer of the yellow gold rope around the base of the stone setting, and it was, I believe, $225. It's a doorbuster, and this is a doorbuster too right now. This is my green amethyst one, and it also has yellow gold and a beautiful like scroll type pattern on the side. The top one almost looks like wheat, the blue topaz, but both of these rings are doorbusters. The green amethyst one's actually, I think it's $207 something. So they're a heck of a deal. I'll link both of these rings down in my description box so that you can check them out. The Chalcedony one I opened the other day, that one is also, I believe, a doorbuster. I'll link that one too. So that's the first thing. Now, whew, I'm already sweating. Good gosh. The next thing was in this package right here. It was in this box, but it's not in this box anymore. Where did it go? Well, this is the one that's already on my head. So I thought I would go ahead and just show it to you. It's these earrings right here. I think that they are stunning. And if the video doesn't come out very well, I'll make sure to insert a picture. I may be totally off on my showing of them the way I did, but if the video doesn't come out very well, I will insert a photograph of them. They are hard to photograph too, but these are the ones I ordered to replace the ones I lost. I did end up filing an insurance claim because I do think there's a very high chance that I threw them away when I threw away my jewelry jar cleaner thing. And when I talked to State Farm about it, they told me, you know, if you find them at some point, just give us either the earrings or the money back. And I thought that was very reasonable. So I filed a claim. I got these. These were actually less money. So I ended up having enough to pay for this ring, which I lost a ring too, but it wasn't insured. So, okay, what next? Let's do the Lululemon unboxing. So here we go. So this is the Fleece Everyday Belt Bag. Why do I always say everyday? This is the Fleece Everywhere Belt Bag. And I wanted to try it because I did not like the white opal Everywhere Belt Bag. I just didn't like the material, so I thought I would try a fleece one. The back of this is in the color Trench, and that's sort of a tan color. I've actually been looking at a backpack that they have on the website that's pretty cool. The way the straps adjust is just fascinating to me. And anyway, I think that this is super soft. Of course, it's going to hold probably about the same amount as the other Everywhere Belt Bags I have. I do like that it's two-toned. I think it will match a ton of stuff. And one thing that's different is that the buckle is metal right there and plastic right there. So the other ones are all plastic. It is making kind of a rattling noise. So that could be annoying. I don't know if that will rattle like that when I walk. I'll have to just see. This may not be a walking kind of Everywhere Belt Bag. It may be more like a strolling type Everywhere Belt Bag because it's not rattling when it's like this, like it would be if it was across my chest. But super soft. The nylon material on the back, I would say it doesn't feel as slick as my other nylon. I don't know if that's typical of Trench or if they used a different Trench to put on the back of this than they do for their all nylon belt bags made in that color. But I'm really liking it. I think she's a keeper. And this is what I got with my gift card that they gave me for canceling an order on me. I don't think they give out gift cards all the time when they cancel orders, but I had called in 3 times because my order was processing for a week. Then it said it shipped, and then it was waiting shipment for a week. And then I called, and I'm like, nothing's happening. And they said it's not going to happen, and that's when they gave me the gift card. So next, Longchamp. So Longchamp is having a sale for this holiday weekend, and you may want to get in on it. Kevin sent me a photograph of some of the Folene pouches that he got, and it's just a whole wide variety of colors. I'll insert that right here. So normally these are $95, and I believe at the outlet they're usually around $45, and for the holiday weekend they're 30% off that, I think, and so I think they're around $25. Don't hold me to that exact number, but I think they're going to be around $25. And that is a fantastic deal for these. These are amazing and they hold so much. And I have my little wristlet strap attached from Next Fashion. I can link that if you guys want me to. Also, I ordered a bag, like I said. I'm going to insert a picture of it right here. So this gorgeous bag is the Longchamp Brioche in the size medium. It retails for $7.75, and I was able to score it for $408.75, I believe. And I did that by making a small donation. I think the donation requirement was $10, and then showing them a receipt of that. And I'll put right here where you need to make the donation if you're interested in doing something like that. And then they can process an additional 25% off of many of the items in the store, including the brioche bag that I just showed you. I've heard that the leather on this brioche bag is amazing. I spoke with Fuchsia Floyd about hers, and she's in love with it. And I love squishy gushy bags. I love all of my pillowy quilted bags. And so I assume that this will be no different, especially since I've heard such rave reviews from some of my YouTube counterparts. The last part of the video is going to be focused on green tag inserts, and this is going to be epic. For all of us coaches out there, you and I both know that there are really not good inserts for coach bags. You have to find an insert that's for something else and try to make it work. Well, green tag inserts to the rescue. They have heard our call and they have answered it. This company has went out and purchased multiple coach bags so that they can custom fit inserts for them. And today I'm going to be showing 3 of their inserts to you. And I opened this box ready to just try them out and see how they fit before I did the video. And then I saw how beautifully it was packaged and I just couldn't do it. I had to show you how it was packaged. So they were kind enough to give me a little twilly, which was super, super sweet. And then also these inserts were all gifted by them, but this video is not sponsored. And this is my honest review. One thing to know about green tag inserts is that these inserts are made in the United States, and they are also made from materials from the United States. The felt is sourced from within the USA. Now this is the color Coral, and this insert was designed for the Coach Soft Tabby shoulder bag. I went ahead and pulled out my vanilla soft tabby because this bag comes with a strap that is coral. And so I thought that this coral insert would be a perfect pop of color for the inside of the bag. And oh my, ladies and gents, you know how I told you that the insert that I have from SUNY Bag & Bag fit almost perfect, but there was a little gap at the end where I stuck my key fob because it didn't quite fit exactly right? Well, here is an insert that fits exactly right. And it's got the perfect pocket configuration. It has a long pocket on one side, and then it has 2 shorter pockets on the other side. I love that. I love to stick card holders or just the cards themselves to lighten up my bag in the short pockets. And this long one is great for receipts as well as cash. The color is stunning and looks so beautiful with the vanilla color. So that is insert number 1. I also love that it comes up higher within the bag. Like, see, it comes up within probably about a ½ inch of the top of this part. The one that I have from the other company that wasn't designed for this bag specifically, it only comes up to about here. So this is going to give the bag more support, and it's also tapered in so that it doesn't distort the bag at all. The second insert that I have to show you is for the Willow saddle bag, and this is in the color Shocking Pink. Now, one thing about the Willow saddle bag is that the leather, in my opinion, is a little thin. Let's just see how well this Shocking Pink color goes with the Petunia Willow saddle bag. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Look at how well that fits. Again, it comes up within about, ½ or 3/4 of an inch of the top on the front of the bag, and it still allows for your bag to curve over on the flap. You wouldn't want it to come all the way up because then you'd end up with a dent on the back of your bag. But this is going to allow you to maybe eliminate an SLG or 2, a small leather good or 2, where you can use these to hold your cards. And again, it's got the long pocket on one side and 2 short pockets on the other side. And then, of course, you still have access to the zippered pocket that the bag comes with, as well as the front slip pocket. One thing with the Willow saddle bag is that I'm able to fit everything in it and then put my phone in the back, but my phone dents out because this leather is real thin. So I think this is going to enable me to condense what I have inside by using those pockets and keep my phone from sticking out. Fingers crossed. But regardless, it is an awesome fit for this cute little bag. Last but not least is an insert for the Coach Pillow Madison. You all asked, and green tag inserts, they answered. And it's not just one insert, it's 2. Because as we know, the Pillow Madison has 2 compartments. So I got this one just recently. It still has the tags on it. It still has the stuffing in it. So everything is out of the bag now. The cat's out of the bag. So let's go ahead and stick this insert in and see how it works. So this insert doesn't have the pocket, the long pocket on this side, but it still has the two that you could put your cards in. And again, it fits like a dream. It fits like a glove, like it was meant to go in there. Funny how that happens when somebody actually has the bag to make an insert for it. And then the front, again, is that not beautiful or what? What a great way to protect your bag. So I'm gonna just try something here. So you know how everybody says how hard it is to close the pillow Madison when it's empty? Did you see how easy that was? That was done live, unedited. I just closed the flap and I turned the lock. Boom. All that is in this bag is those two inserts. So if anybody's having trouble opening and closing their pillow Madison because they don't keep very much in it, this is going to be a lifesaver for you. I think that's going to wrap it up. You're going to see a whole lot of me over the course of the next week or so. I'm going to be doing shopping vlogs while I'm in Dallas with Julie. I am going to be doing reveals because I have a bag I have my eye on down in Texas, as well as the Longchamp bag that should be here when I get back. So make sure that if you're not subscribed to go ahead and do that. Click the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this, and give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't found me on Instagram yet, go do that too. The name there's the same as the @ symbol, then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.